Welcome guys in this new lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In previous lecture we saw how to write text over an image inside a rectangular box. In today's lecture we are going to see how to change the orientation of an image. So I'm creating a new file here, flip.py, and I am copy pasting this entire code. Control C, and let me paste it here, Control V. Okay, so I'll be using this same image. Let me get rid of these things. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this image. So let me rename this original image, and I'll be printing this original image also. Let the output window named as original image, and the variable is org_img. Okay, and I'm going to print this flipped image also. So let me rename this also, and the flipped image variable name here. Okay, so in OpenCV, to flip the image we have a function called flip. So I'll be using cv.flip, and in this I have to pass two parameters. First is the image which I want to flip, so here it is original image, and then if I write 0, so I can write 0 and 1 basically. Let's try this 0 first. So I have written 0. Let me save this and run this. Okay, so this is the first orientation change. This is how your image will be flipped if you write 0, and we can write 1 also. So if I write 1, it will basically give me the mirror image, this one. So that's how you can use the flip function in OpenCV to flip the original image. And that's it for this lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.